Morning ride today up to Copperload, nice Sunday morning ride, and I got pulled over on the side of the road by Rob and Matt. We got Matt here.
Hey, what's going on?
You're on YouTube now. and they're like, oh, we're going up to this place, you want to come with us? So where are we going today, Matt?
We're going up to the Daintree Rainforest.
The Daintree Rainforest. So what are we going to be doing up there, Matt?
We're going to be relaxing and picking fruit and chilling out.
That's what we're going to be doing today. Come along for the ride, enjoy it. Yeah, I've never seen someone play that. How's the Rolenia, Matt?
Amazing, man. Amazing.
Oh, baby. Kind of reminds me of Byron Bay Market. How they have like an organic market like on the weekends there.
All the trees there. The even bigger part, a lot of meringue.
What I'll do is I'll make a YouTube video of this, and I'll have this as the background music.
Yeah, all them bananas. Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah.
More bananas. Welcome to the Daintree. What's your name?
Jeff.
Jeff or Jesse? You go by Jesse. Jesse. And so you run a little kind of fruit orchard here? Do you look after it?
I just try and maintain it.
Just try and maintain it.
Expand it.
So you're a big fruit eater?
Yeah, like half my life.
What's that?
Half my life.
Half of your life. Would you say you're addicted to fruit?
Yeah.
These are some of the best bananas ever had.
What I'll do is I'll make a YouTube video of this, and I'll have this as the background music for the whole thing.
Yellow sapote. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, chances are if you wait for the tree right off on the fence, they got to
Nah, I got it.
Awesome day, random adventure. Just got picked up off the side of the road and came all the way up to the Daintree. First we stopped off in Port Douglas and checked out the markets there for a little bit. Came up to our buddy Jeff's or Jesse Raja's farm and checked out his farm, checked out all his awesome fruit trees, had some of his amazing fruit that he grows here, and finishing it off with a big nice little swim in the swimming hole down by the waterfall here. Absolutely amazing day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Keep it unreal, baby. Peace out.